Hi, hello, Rodi. How are you, Rodi Rahita? How are you doing? Thank you, Rodi, for coming in. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, today is my birthday, so I am late. How are you, Rodi? Hola, 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 Rodi. How are you doing, Rodi? Thank you for coming in. I really appreciate it. I'm doing like this because today is my birthday. See, di ba? Oh. So now, so how are you doing? Doing good? It's a busy life, huh? Busy life. Yeah, busy life. Look at that. Okay, so long time no see you, you know? Long time no see you. Yeah, see? Yep, I want to include Rodi Irahita because Rodi is here into our house right now. Yeah. So, si Rodi. Hey, Hey, Mr. Pankaj. How are you from India? Mr. Pankaj, how are you? Pankaj, how are you doing? Oh, you have 193. Yes. Pankaj, thank you so much. Don't forget the likes. You know, likes is very important, okay? Si Pankaj is here. Um, you know, he's a very good boy, always attending to my live, Mr. Pankaj. Pankasis. Yeah, guys, he is very good with Rudy Irahita. Let's connect na Mr. Pankaj. Okay. Yeah. Pankaj, how are you doing? India is very nice country, okay? India, I like India. Very nice. Don't forget to likes, okay? Likes, guys, likes. Si Pankaj is here. Pankaj. Pankaj. Mr. Pankaj. Okay. Here, Mr. Pankaj is here. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good morning in the very far. Pankaj here. And Rudy Rahita is also here. Rudy is number one. Rudy Erahita 80. Rudy Erahita is here. So I have another entry for today. So now, um, yeah, I I'm sorry, guys. I was late because what do you call this? I just finished cutting my cake. You know, yes, because it's so important that we need to do the cake. Okay, with the stick. Wait a minute, I'm coming back. guys, this is my style. Okay, look. Okay. Now I'm ready. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I'm here. Oh, because that's why also why you are not here too. Because I was late. It's what time now? It's 8:15. 8:15. So oh, I know. I know. I know. I know. Good. Yeah. Because I was late today. I'm sorry, guys, that I am late because I need to eat also. Yeah, I need to eat. That's why I didn't. Instead of 7:45, but I only there sitting down. But so sorry. Okay. Yeah. So right now, my eyes is heavy, but you know. Okay, we get ready. I'm starting my. I'm starting my. I'm starting my. What do you call this? My. I'm starting my ruffles. Okay, I want to. One here, there, here. I will sample only sample. Wow, the buds. See, the buds is not here. So this is one first. The buds. The buds is not here, so we no winning. Okay, the buds one. Yeah. Mr. Panka. If nothing, nobody here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Woo! It's not here. Nothing here. So sorry. Two. Nothing here. Hello, Pankaj. Hi. Yeah, here. I'm just rushing. Allah! This same, but it's not here. I don't read it. It's not here. Oh, it's not here. So, wow. Two winners. She's not here, so she don't win. I just another one for oh see bomb one not here. Three, four. One more. This is only example. Look. See Viber. Okay, 500 pesos. 500 pesos. No winner. No winner because everyone is not here. See, see. Si Ronalyn, unsa na to yun? Dalawa sana si Ronalyn, 200 pesos, but she's not here, so okay, the buds. There. See, Ronalyn. Okay. Okay, guys, that's done. Okay, yeah. Ah, I'm so, I'm so lucky. You know, the Ronaldin two times. Ronaldin two times, but I put it back here. Ronaldin, two times she won. Yeah, but she's not here, so I don't give no because it's, I said it's a okay. Hello, Susanna. Mm. Ah, look at me. Look at me. My tie. Yeah, people, they're following me. No, I done this. Yes, tonight. Tonight. Pero wala yung iba. So, no pay, no win. So, no pay, no win. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, Jason. What? I received money. I will look. They said I have money in PayPal. Maybe how sending? Okay, just wait. uh, May I see? Ano pa? Oh, ha! That's they gave me they gave me they gave me they gave me all my subscriber giving me 20 uh how much left over before? 41. So I don't know how much they give. Okay. How much my home? My place. No, 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 no. Okay, Mr. Pan. So I need to uh oh my goodness, I received my birthday present. Okay, birthday present. Johnny Spike, hello. Hello. Is it, hello Lee? Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's okay. Ronaldin Lee Janice Spike, Kelly. Hey, don't forget to likes, guys. Likes is important. Aray, now is rep. Okay, so I will come. I want to do something. Okay. Um, I just did the. Yes, Susana. It's, mm. Yes. What you call this? I wrote. Yes, 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 Janice. Thank you. Thank you, John. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy birthday to me. Mm. I received cake. Yes, I received cake. I received a people. I received a present from people. Pie, pie. Okay. See, Janice pie, cake. The cake is already there. So don't forget to like. See here? I didn't. Happy birthday po. Uy, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I want to shout out to my present. Yes, too much snow, Canada. Canada snow, plenty, plenty. Hey, Jusula. Hey, nga side. Hoy, Day Jusila, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Day Jusila. Day Jusila, thank you for coming. Elsa, yes, Day. Yes, Day, salamat sa palihim sa ganda. Si Josella, si Inday Lee. Wait a second, I need to put another Ronaldin, yeah. And after we ready, yeah. Yes, Day Josella. Kumusta, Day? Guwapa. Wait a minute. And Lee, I put also Lee here. Inday Gisela, Janice, Gisela, and Susana. Yeah, you have here Susana. Susana, I put because it's coming here. What it is? Because you are here, so I put here. Look at my hit, my like. Thank you. Look. Oh, see, oh, look. Ano siya ba? Yung tawag dito? Maliit lang. Yeah. Okay. Ready to go. Guys, ang wala dito ha, kano sa man ka magpagdikas now. Now. Kasali ka na dyan sila. Now, we are 8 people. Don't forget to like. Yeah. Don't forget to like. Hey, Ronjin. Si Ronjin. Don't forget to like Ronjin. Now, si Ronjin natungha na oh. Bumalik na si the morning here. Morning, Janice. Jusila Hong Kong. Ronjin. Yeah. Naman na like ate. Oo, dahil salamat guwapa. Pasali ate Nida. I hear. Ronjin. Jusila Hong Kong. Yes. Yeah. Kay Anto. Ano lang. 100 ay. 100. There. Why are you laughing?
When we were first coming here, and at the something
Oh,
about
yeah.
the highway.
When we're first coming here. Yeah, it's very.
That's what I said to you.
It's so funny, like, very good. Thank you, like, Juicy. Hey, Mafit Rufino, happy birthday, thank you. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like. Die. Okay. Mafet Rufino. Shout out, shout out. Okay. Mafet Rufino. Isali, ma'am. Yeah. Mafet. Janice Peck need cake. Yeah, the cake is over. I remember I knocked myself. Huh?
Huh?
I knocked myself in the plane. So now when we go back again, the three of us sit together. Yeah.
That's like he wants the middle book. So
What?
the earth.
Susana Marjon. Yes, we are ready now because I need to harang Vincent Magbiro. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like, guys. Thank you. Hi, life, 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 life. Life is life. Okay. Hey, okay, last. Or very soon. So now, I'm also in my Facebook because we have in Facebook. Or campaign. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Guys, I want to put Johnny Spike hit like 4 birthdays. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait a second, guys. Um I want you to wait. Guys, uh I want you to well, okay. Please, I want you to visit for this. If you don't mind, please visit for this. Where is she? Can you visit for me, this guys? Please, thank you. Uh, this channel is very good. Uh, he is very good supporters. Okay, please, uh, can you visit for him and give me a support for him. He is Kempra UK. Okay, yeah. Let's connect to them. Please visit to these links. Uh, okay, that links, please, if you don't mind. Guys, kaya connect to the links, guys, if you don't mind. Edlin. Okay, please, if you don't mind. Yeah, if you don't mind, yeah. Okay. Now finish. It's already here. Everything is here. Now we are ready. Edlin Billionis, I put you already. But guys, please don't forget to uh, connect to this came from UK. Okay, from UK. Mr. Rudy. Okay. Si Muffet already here. Uh, I will, yeah, Drusilla, Edeline, Janice, Edeline, Spike, good student. Yeah, you have here already. Sorry, I'm late. That's okay. Don't forget to likes, guys. Yeah. Now, so I think that's enough. So, Ronald or Ronaldin, you are here. Edeline jacket, ma'am. Okay. Now, let's go. Da din dan dan. Huh? Dan din dan dan. Okay. He happy happy yahoo. Yee yahoo yahoo. Dai, look at my things, Dai. What? Yes, ready, Dai. Then. Hey, hey, Janice, you need to wait, huh? I didn't like this yet. Hira, ya, you. Ya, you. Oh, the wind. Dido, rin, dan, din. Randa, dan. Wala si ano, si Michi. Wala si Michi. Si Michi, wala. Hey, Miss Pikey, don't like that Pikey. Wala. Wala no. Wala si Michi Manalo. Okay, ready. One, two, three, done. Two. Okay. Ay, Michi, you just came. Yeah, okay. 1 to 500, 500 pesos, 100 each. I will get 5 winners for 100 pesos. If you are international, I will give you a membership or super sticker, super charter like that. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. Ay, nag-double-double. Okay. Here. 10. What here? Ronalyn to this. Okay, ha? No. This one, no lucky. No. No. Blank. Wow. Who's this? Oh, si Happy. Happy is a winner. Atay. Nasakita, uy. Si Happy. One, two. Yes. Happy, yes. Yes, she's happy. Congratulations. Why happy? Wait, we write it down. Wait a second. Happy there. So congratulations, Happy. Very active, huh? Happy, happy one. Happy. Okay, there. And guys, another we have another in February 14. We have also February 14 we have also GCAS, okay? February 14, take note. February 14 we have a GCAS. Michi dai Michi. Okay. Jusila, okay. Ronaldin, you know I did a sample before. I did a GCAS. I do sample. You win two times. I was laughing. I didn't read it because maybe thinking, wow, yeah, two times, but I didn't, it's not final, it's only a sample. Okay, there, here, wow, yeah. Yeah, sample only. Because we have lots of entry, right? Michi, lots, okay? One, see here? Oh, wow, Bong. Bong is here. Bong, there are Bong. Bong. Bong R. I know Bong, but I think it's not here. Happy. Bong is not here. One, two, three, four, five. So disqualified because Bong is not here. But because I think this when they are here, I think it's a international person. Yeah. I put into separate because it's not here, Bong. But the happy is already one. Okay. Second one. Ting, 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 tarata, ting, ting, ting. Ah, wala. Yeah, wala siya dai. Wala. It's not, no winner because it's not here. Hina ako signal. Just okay. You stay there. Okay? It's my birthday. At least mag-enjoy tayo. La, la. There. Oh, here. Hala. It's very scary. Who is this? So, Jusila de Jusila, guapa. Who is this? Hala, si Susana. Susana, Marjon, you win. Susana is here. Oh, Susana is not here. Susana is not here. One, two. The present si Susana. Susana. Susana winning. Me make sure because what? Susana unhappy. Okay, congratulations, Susana. Si Susana, my signal so very bad. So Susana, with second two, Susana. Number three. So number three. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ting 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 ting. There we go. There. Here. What is it? Bam! Ah, si Bam International. Si Bam Gamer. Bam Gamer is international, but I guarantee they're very busy because they're working, but they don't win. Ah, sorry. Number three, number four. One more. One more left. One more. Oh my goodness, it's so next na tayo sis. You see? No, I have wait a second. I have something to. I want. I have something. You know the one that they are not the one they have two winners. They have two winners that is not here, right? So I want to ask you the guess. Okay, I will ask you guess something. Mabukya tayo ulit. Wait a second. Hindi kayo mabukya. Wait a second. You wait only. One more only. One more. Okay, here. Whee! Oh, it's not here. Hmm. So my chance pa daw, Lee. Oh, it's not there. This one also is not here. I don't want to say it's not here. They don't attend her. Okay? So, they don't attend international also. Hindi natin basahin kasi wala siya. Ito, another one. Here. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Here we go. Who is this? Si Lee. Hala, nanalo si Lee. Huwag mawalan. Lee. Lee, Arvis Vlog. Si Lee Arvis Vlog is a winner. Look, si si Lee present. Oh, nanalo siya. Hala, congratulations, Lee. So, yan si Lee. Sumakit tuloy ulo ko. Ow, okay. There, tatlo. So now, okay, I have a guess. If you make sure you need to do right away. I want to ask you if who Sile is a winner. Who can guess Kimi to go where he came from in the links? Go, hurry up. Kimi to go. The channel that I dropped the links where he came from. Nope. Three guests only. Then after the three guests, no one can answer is disqualified. Jusila, you have one already. It said America. No, not came from America. Yeah. Who guessing? Hurry up. Canada, nope. Nope. India, no. So, USA, no. USA, Janice Pike, nope. Nope. Europe, nope. No, Europe. Ah, hello, Janice Pike. Hello, hello. Nothing. Region Turkey, no Turkey. The Turkey is very no. It's not Turkey. The Turkey that I have a visitor before is Tolga. Tolga is came from Turkey. Uh, yeah, Tolga is came from Turkey, but he didn't come because you see how UK. Ah, Rosa. Wow, UK. Yes, Jusila, you're right. Kimi Togo is came from UK. No, Jusila got it right. Jusila got it from UK. Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah, Jusila is came from UK. Yeah, Jusila. Wait a second. Lee, it's almost forgot. Lee. Nataybol kay sis. Oh, okay. Mayroon pa. Isa. Oh. Wala na. Lee, oo nga. Dalawa kayo nanalo. What? Me? Internet? It's okay. Okay, bigyan na kayo. Baba na ng ano. Mag-ano na lang ako. Baba na kayo ng Gcash. Baba na. Mag-ano na lang ako. Mag-type. Sige, Day. Sige, Day. Palipad ka. Palipad. Palipad ako. Okay, sure. Drusilla, palipad. Palipad. Okay. Lee, paladin. Oh, Lee also palipad. Lee. Palipad. Sino pa? Salamat ate. Walang anuman. Sige, teka sandali ha. Kay ilista ko muna si Salamat ate. Wala isa pa yan. Bokya. Next time, Ronjin. Remember, you are always winner, Ronjin. February 14, we have GCAS also because I have a live is already starting. That's why this one they have plenty. See, you see that plenty because every I had a live, we put a entry. For example, you have 8 entries. I put also 8 entries, but we are plenty. Thank you. You're welcome, Susana. Oh, where is it here? I put in here. Oh no, here in the Susana. Where is it? 099 099 099594 594 099 59 595 595 099-595-040-04093. 0439. Oh, Susana M. Okay, Susana M ha. Susana M. Then the other one, who is that? Ati Palipal. You're very welcome. Wait a second. Sino pa yun? Ay, nakalimutan na. Ay, si Happy Susana Lee. Lolipad. Okay. That's it. Next time again and again and again. Every I have a live, you have an entry, okay? Dai Juicy and Lee. If you have a live, I will put it there. Yeah, I did already. 099595. Pag sure, uy! 099595 04093. Yes. Because, yeah, I got it. I got it. Josela, live ko ug ate. O, sige. Anong oras imo live, Day? Josela. Ugli. Anong oras imuha day ugma sa thank you host. Lee, anong oras ka? Anong oras ang ano mo, ang live mo bukas? What time? Thumbs up. Sa premiere ko po 8 a.m. Tomorrow. Okay. Lee, 8 premiere. Premiere 8 8 a.m. Okay. Okay. Copy, copy. Okay. And thank you everyone and have a good night. Wait. Wait a second. No, just wait. I will get thanks ate. You're welcome. I will get to wait a second. Um, I will go to Susana. Susana first. Susana, just wait. Look. Susana. Thanks ate. You're welcome. Susana, just wait. 9.